Hello everyone. Today we are going to see adjacency matrix of a graph and incidence matrix of a graph. First we will study about adjacency matrix of a graph. The adjacency matrix of a graph having n vertices is a n cross n matrix whose non-diagonal entry at ith row and jth column is the number of edges joining vertex I and vertex j. And diagonal entry at ith row and ith column is the twice the number of loops at vertex I. It will be more clear after this example. Adjacency matrix of this graph is this matrix. Since there are 4 vertices in this graph, therefore the adjacency matrix of this graph is a 4 cross 4 matrix. There is an edge joining vertex 1 and vertex 2. Therefore, the entry at first row and second column is 1 and entry at second row and first column is also 1. There are 2 edges joining vertex 2 and vertex 3. Therefore, the entry at second row and third column is 2. Similarly, the entry at third row and second columns is also 2. Same way, entry at first row and fourth columns is 1 and entry at fourth row and first columns is also 1, because there is an edge joining vertex 1 and vertex 4. Entry at third row and fourth column is 1 and entry at fourth row and third column is also 1, because there is an edge joining vertex 3 and vertex 4. The diagonal entry second row and second column is 2, because there is a loop at vertex 2. This is the adjacency matrix of a given graph. Now we will study about incidence matrix of a graph. The incidence matrix of a graph G having m vertices and n edges is a m cross n matrix. If in graph G there is a edge ek that joins vertex I and vertex j, then the incidence matrix of a graph G entry at ith row and kth column and entry at jth row and kth column both are 1 and all other entries in column k are 0. For example, see this graph. Incidence matrix of this simple graph is this. Since there are 4 vertices and 5 edges in this graph, therefore the incidence matrix of this graph is a 4 cross 5 matrix. In this graph, edge E1 joins the vertex 1 and vertex 2. Therefore, in incidence matrix of this graph, the entry at first row and first column and entry at second row and first column both are 1 and all other entry in first column 0. Now see, in this graph, edge E2 joins the vertex 2 and vertex 3. Therefore, in incidence matrix of this graph, the entry at second row and second column and entry at third row and second column both are 1 and all other entries in second column are 0. Now see, In graph edge E4, join vertex 1 and vertex 3. Therefore, in incidence matrix, the entry at first row and fourth column and third row and fourth column both are 1, and all other entries in fourth column are 0. Now in graph edge E3, join vertex 3 and vertex 4. Therefore, in incidence matrix, the entry at third row and third column and entry at fourth row and third column both are 1, and all other entries in third column are 0. Now see, in graph edge E5, join vertex 1 and vertex 4. Therefore, in incidence matrix, the entry at first row and fifth column and entry at fourth row and fifth column both are 1, and all other entries in fifth column are 0. This is the incidence matrix of a given simple graph. Thank you very much.